If you also want to create amazing AI elevations, register now. This Friday, we have a 2-hour online workshop on Google Meet. The fee is only 99 rupees. You will learn how to turn AutoCAD drawings into professional renders with ChatGPT in just a few minutes. Seats are limited, so book your spot today.
Just I want to ask you, everyone can see my screen, please? Can you hear everyone from our group? Can you tell anyone? Okay, I shared my screen also, and I will share now which one we are going to do plan. Hello. Now voice is coming, please.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Can you hear everyone?
Yes.
Okay, Ji. Okay. Someone give me message. They can hear me. Okay, I will share the plan now. Which one we are going to present today? This is some information I have made presentation. This is the plan I shared in group. We are going to present in Canva. I will open AutoCAD file. Before importing the plan, okay, brother, I will share, no problem. Before importing the plan, I need to do some hatching here. So I will do that hatch here. Okay, this is the ready plan which one I have made. So I will take hatch command, h enter. I will take solid hatch, pick point. Okay, this color I want to change. I will give different color. This one I will give, and I will send back to this hatch to clarity our wall lines. Okay, and for boundary wall, I will do another hatch, h enter. And control 1. I will give different color, 261. And this for background, I will also keep one hatch here. Okay, this is our plan. So I will make one PDF, control P, and select our page. हाँ ब्रदर, रिकॉर्डेड सेशन भी मिल जाएगा आपको. I will provide recorded session after the class,
Okay, sir.
and I will share this AutoCAD file also for this plan. On desktop, I made this PDF. Okay, this I will change to image JPG. Okay, I will write model 00. So now this is the part only from AutoCAD. Now we will go again Google. Okay, so I will logging my email ID. From this email, I am using canva.com. Okay, so I will type here canva.com. Okay, they will ask which account you want. So I will open with my account, ZA Drafting Studio. Okay, this interface you will get after logging to canva.com. You will get like that page. In Canva, there is no only for plan presentation. You can do many more things here, like videos, sheets, documents, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, video, printables, and many things is there. You can do. You can explore more. When you have free time, you can explore more. So we will go to our topic. So first, when you are going to enter this page, here left side you can see here one plus mark. Okay. From here we will create our sheet. I will create here. You can see left side. Okay. After that you will get like that import. So we will make here down. And some you can add some buds. Like that. So this is our full presentation we have done. Complete furniture layout, complete landscaping, and beds, humans, bathroom layout, everything. This is very easiest way as per my idea. So after you finish this one, just you need to go here and you need to download that's it. You want to PDF, JPG, which one you like, you can download. So now it's downloading. After download, we can check here. See, this is our presentation. So you don't work that much like in Photoshop, arrange layer. Just we did drag and drop, and within 2 hours we finished the ground floor plan in beautiful way. Hope you people like and support me and support this class also. And now the session who has doubts, they can ask me questions. And I will share this file also, and I will share this Canva link also. Who registered, they can use same materials also, brother. So now anyone have doubt, they can ask me, brother. Some people ask me recording class also. Yes, brother, recording class I will share. I will get after 2 hours this recording class because we have 2 hour class. So this almost 2 GB file is there. So today night I will share to everyone. Don't worry.
During the
So
for a personal
the feedback I want to ask you how people you like this flow plan presentation workshop. It's good or what? I want to ask
everything
you.
is good. Everything is good.
Hello.
Everything is good only, sir.
Uh, I cannot hear you, brother.
Everything is good only. Within 2 hours, within this much shorter period, we learn one course like that. You feel.
The voice is not coming for me. My voice is clear, no? But I cannot hear.
Can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind comment. And I really appreciate who those people join and support me. Because in suddenly my mic is not working. I don't know, some technical problem happened.
Takes a long walk back to the pavilion.
Abdul Rashid also want to tell something, but I don't know. Someone send me typing message also. I can read. This presentation I will share you in WhatsApp group, brother. This one. So anyone can who took this Canva, they can apply this same material. Hello.
Hello.
Unfortunately, I cannot hear you people.
Hello.
Something happened to my mic system. But my voice is coming to you all people clearly, correct? So everyone, can I close my class? Thank you, Abdul Rasid. Thank you. Thank you, brother. This recorded classes I will share you, and anyone want this color changes, everything they can do the changes, no problem with presentation. This is I made my style, but if you like any other colors, you can change, no problem, up to you. Okay, brother, I will close my class. If anyone have doubt, ask me in WhatsApp group. Thank you, everyone, brother. Thank you, everyone, to joining me.